Tableau online training. My name is Anand, your instructor for this Tableau program. We are going to watch today what is Tableau Desktop versus Tableau Public. We know that in Tableau supports different products: Tableau Desktop, Tableau Public, online, server, reader, and print. So we are going to watch. I want to create a data visualization. That means I need to connect the data and create a visualization. For that, what tool is supported? If you want to connect with a data and create a visualization, then you need either the Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public. These are the two tools which are helping you to create a visualizations. Next question comes in the mind is, hey, what about the which desktop I have to go or public I have to go? Tableau Desktop will help you to create a visualization. Public also help you to create a visualization. But when it is coming into the data source level, you can see here Tableau Desktop will support flat files, databases, and different sources, whereas Tableau Public supports only flat files. That's a limitation for the Tableau Public. Not only to that, if you talk about the security of the data is more secure in Tableau Desktop, whereas whatever the data you are publishing through Tableau Public, it is open for everyone. Anyone can access that dashboard. Your data can be seen by anyone. How much data you can store in Tableau Desktop? Unlimited rows you can store in Tableau Desktop, whereas only 1 million rows limitation is available for Tableau Public. Cost wise, Tableau Desktop is $35 per personal edition, whereas for professional edition it's a $75 per month per user, whereas Tableau Public is free of cost. What about the visualizations once you created? If you want to show, if you want to store in local file, yes, it supports. The visualizations what you create, you can store in local store, or you can publish on the server also. But whereas in the Tableau Public, you cannot save whatever the work you have done at the local laptop or your machine. You have to store in Tableau Public only at the server level only. So the people who are looking to get at an enterprise level, for them the best choice is Tableau Desktop, whereas Tableau Public is used for to explore the data, which is not much professionally. I can call you are not going to use for the commercial purpose. In that case, you can go for Tableau Public. But as you now clearly understood that Tableau Desktop can connect any data sources, whereas Tableau Public is restricted towards the flat files like Excel, CSV, and all. To give more details about that, you can see here. This is the Tableau Desktop window, and this is the Tableau Public window. You can see here Tableau Desktop is not only connected to flat files, it is connecting to database servers. Apart from that, it is supporting huge list of databases and huge list of data sources it is supporting to connect the different data sources. Whereas Tableau Public is very limited to flat files. Excel file, CSV file, JSON file, Access files. And apart from that, Tableau supports Google Sheet and Web Data Connector. So what we understood here is, connectivity wise, Tableau Public is limited with the data sources, whereas Tableau Desktop is huge list of data sources it is supporting. So limitation of the Tableau Public is connectivity. Public will connect with only file systems. When you are trying to distribute the work, it is published on the Tableau Public, not on the local machine. You cannot refresh the data at the schedule level. Security wise, it is not secure data. The limitation wise, you can see the certain limit, you have 10 million records only, and the storage wise per user per account 10 GB of data it is storing. So these are the different limitations of Tableau Desktop. What is coming to the visualizations, Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public, both are supporting all the visualizations. There is no difference between the visualization support. So if you want to see practically the difference here, you can go here. Right now, let me show you Tableau Public. I'm opening the Tableau Public. Tableau Public Edition. Let me show you how to connect with the data. Click on Microsoft Excel. And let me connect the Superstore data, what I have. And drag and drop the data source. And create the visualization. Region-wise sales. And that's it. Your chart is prepared. And your experience is, this experience you are getting with Tableau Public. So what you are seeing is the limitation of the data source here. Tableau Excel, text, JSON, only the limited data sources. If you click on more, you are seeing only Google Sheets and Web Data Connector. Other data sources it is not supporting. That's about the Tableau Public. Let's talk about Tableau Desktop Professional Edition. I have the Professional Edition also here. Let me open the Professional Edition now. You can see here Tableau Desktop Professional Edition. It is clearly written on the screen. Let me connect with the data source. Before that, let us understand what are the different data sources it is supporting. You see here files, flat files, server database like Oracle SQL Server or MySQL. If you click on the more, you will see huge list of data sources it is supporting. That's one of the biggest win over the Tableau Public. You can support huge list of data sources here in the Tableau Public. Rest of thing is same. How you are connecting the process is same. Click on Microsoft Excel, connect to your Excel sheet where your data is available. Drag and drop the orders and create a visualization. And if you want to see region-wise sales, there is no difference here. The major difference is about the connectivity part. What are the different data sources it is connecting? That is a major difference. You see the same chart I have prepared here also. Next difference we talk about the saving the visualization. Whatever the visualization we have created in Tableau Public, let me go ahead with that. Here you can see the Tableau Public at the top end. I want to save it. When I'm trying to save it, I cannot save it locally. Either I have to save, I cannot save it locally. So I have to save on the Tableau Public. Only in the Tableau Public I can save. That means I should have a Tableau Public account. So if you don't have a Tableau Public account, you cannot save it. So first of all, if you want to create a Tableau Public account, click on this create one new now for free, and then you create your account. It's a straightforward form. You can just sign up and you will get an account. In my case, I have already the account. So let me show you how I'm logging to my account. And here I'm saving all my work in the Tableau Public. So that means I cannot save it locally. It is asking what is the workbook title, and I'm telling Tableau workbook demo public. This is public demo. Click on save, and your workbook, whatever you are creating, is going to publish on the Tableau Public. You are going to watch it now only. It is started publishing into Tableau Public online site. You can see here public.tableau.com, and it is getting published. So whatever you have done, it is now publicly published on the Tableau Public. Now anyone in the world can access whatever the work I have done. That means no security to my data. Anyone can access. Let's see about the Tableau Desktop Professional Edition. When it is coming to Tableau Desktop Professional Edition, you have to come here, File, Save. You can save it locally at your system also. I can save in my desktop, or wherever I want to save, I can locally save. If you want to publish to server, you can click on here, click on publish, and you can click on publish on the server. So those are the different major differences you are seeing in Tableau Desktop and Tableau Professional Edition. If you want to explore Tableau Desktop, you can go and visit to the site tableaudesktop.com. So let me show you. Visit the site. Okay, now let's open the tableau.com, and you want to install the Tableau desktop software. Come here, you can see in the products you are having a Tableau desktop. Click on the Tableau desktop, and you can try it for free or try now. Now if you observe here, Tableau desktop is free of cost only for 14 days of free trial. You have to provide your business email ID, like I can provide my business email ID here, Anand@upskillsoft.com, and click on the download free trial. Next moment it is getting downloaded the exe. You can see here the exe is getting downloaded. This is the process to get the Tableau desktop, and then after that install next and finish. Now if you want to get the Tableau online, Tableau Public, how to do it? Tableau Public, click on Tableau Public here. Go to Tableau Public, put your any ID, put your Tableau email ID, and click on the download. And now you are downloading Tableau Public. Tableau Public is free of cost, unlimited access, But as you know, what are the restrictions on Tableau Public? So you have seen how to use Tableau Public, and you have seen how to use Tableau Desktop. So if you have any questions, you can comment in our below the video. Thank you. Have a great day.